Is HubSpot worth it? Well, here's our CRM review for beginners. If you've been searching for a way to organize your leads, you've probably seen the free CRM ads everywhere. But as a beginner, the jump from the free to professional can feel like a jump off a financial cliff. In this video, we'll be reviewing the entire HubSpot ecosystem. We'll look at the Smart CRM core, the newly integrated Breeze AI tools, and the pricing model that has changed the game for small teams. We're going to find out if the free forever tools are actually enough to run a business, or if you'll be forced into a paid plan sooner than you think. Also, if you want to try HubSpot yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to try it out for free. So let's see if HubSpot is truly worth your time and money. Now, when you first log on into HubSpot, you aren't just looking at the database. You're looking at what they now call the customer platform. The layout is designed to be intuitive, even if you've never used a CRM before. At the very top, you'll be able to see your navigation bar, and this is your command center. You have the Contacts tab. This is the heart of the system. This isn't just a list of names, it's a living history. When you click on a contact, you see a timeline of every email they've opened, every page they've visited on your site, and every chat they've had with your team. Then you have the Conversations menu. This houses your inbox and chat flows. If you've connected your business email or added a live chat widget to your site, all these messages flow here. It's a unified view so you never lose a thread. Then you have the Marketing and Sales hubs. These are the action centers. Under Marketing, you find emails, ads, and landing pages. Under Sales, you find your deals pipeline, which is a visual drag and drop board where you move your qualified to closed won. Now, the most significant change in recent times is the Breeze AI sidebar. Now, you see a small sparkling icon on the right side of almost every screen. This is your AI data agent. You can literally ask it, who are my top 5 leads that haven't been contacted this week? And it will generate the list for you instantly. So, is it any good? Let's start with the pros. The biggest advantage of HubSpot is its UI UX. Unlike Salesforce, which can feel like looking at a complex spreadsheet, HubSpot feels like a modern social media app. It's genuinely human-friendly. Another pro is the ecosystem integration. Because HubSpot owns the Content Hub, their website builder, and the Commerce Hub for payments, everything talks to each other. If someone pays an invoice through a HubSpot payment link, their contact record is updated, a thank you email is triggered, and your sales report updates in real time without you lifting a finger. However, we have to talk about the cons. The biggest gotcha for businesses is the pricing steepness. While the entry-level plans are affordable, the jump to the professional tier, which unlocks the really powerful automation, is massive. You might go from paying $20 a month to nearly $900 in a month overnight if you need omni-channel workflows. Another con is the reporting complexity. While basic reports are easy, creating custom multi-object reports often requires the professional tier or higher. For a beginner, the free reporting can feel a bit restrictive once you start asking deeper questions about your business. Now let's break down the tiers because this is where most beginners get confused. Now with the free tools, you get the Smart CRM, email marketing, up to 2,000 cents per month, and a one-on-one live chat. You also get basic Breeze AI features like the content writer. Now when it comes to the paid plans, the starter customer platform at $9 per seat per month is the professional tier. It removes the powered by HubSpot branding from your emails and forms. It also unlocks simple automation, like sending a follow-up email when a form is submitted, and gives you access to email and chat support. Then the professional tier at $800 or more a month. This is a skill tier. This unlocks Breeze agents, AI bots that can actually prospect leads or handle customer service tickets for you. It also unlocks custom reporting and social media management. At this point, if you're seeing the value in having all your customer data in one place but aren't sure which tier to start with, remember, if you want to try HubSpot yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to try it out for free. It's the safest way to click around the Breeze AI tools and deals pipeline without spending a dime. Now, currently, HubSpot introduced a credit system for its AI features. Whether you're on a free or paid plan, you get a certain amount of HubSpot credits each month. Now, for the AI, you have customer agents where you can use credits to handle chat conversations automatically. You also have prospecting agents where you can use credits to have the AI research a company and write a personalized outreach email for you. Then you have data agents, where you can use credits to clean your data, such as asking it to fix all the names that are in all caps. Now, this is a huge win for beginners. You no longer need to be the tech wizard to set up complex lead scoring. You can simply tell the Breeze prospect agent what your ideal customer looks like, and it will monitor your database for matches. Now, if you are a one-person show, HubSpot acts as your virtual assistant. When a lead fills out a form on your site, HubSpot automatically researches their company and pulls in their logo, website, and LinkedIn profile. This is the Insights feature, and it's available even on many basic plans. You spend most of your time in the task queue. Instead of the sticky notes, HubSpot tells you exactly who to call and when. If you've integrated your phone via the Sales Hub, you can click a button to call directly from your browser, and HubSpot will automatically transcribe the call and summarize the notes using AI. This level of efficiency is why people pay premium for HubSpot. Remember, HubSpot isn't just one tool, it's a series of hubs that you can mix and match. You have the Marketing Hub for lead generation and email, the Sales Hub for meetings, quotes, and deal tracking, the Service Hub for help desk tickets and customer surveys, the Content Hub for your website and blogs, and the Operations Hub for syncing data between HubSpot and other apps like Shopify or NetSuite. The Small Business Bundle, now the Starter Customer Platform, is usually the best bet for beginners. It gives you the starter version of every single hub for one flat per seat price. This prevents the complicated system where you have your email in MailChimp, your CRM in Pipedrive, and your website in WordPress. So, is it worth it? It's worth it if you plan to grow. If you only have 10 clients and you never want more, it's probably overkill. Just go ahead and use a spreadsheet. But if you're building a scalable business, HubSpot is the best foundation you can buy. The free tools are 100% for value. No other CRM gives you this much power for $0. Now, the starter tier is 9 over 10 because it's affordable and makes you look like a professional company. The professional tier is a 7 over 10. It's incredibly powerful, but the price jump is a sticker shock that requires you to have a clear plan for ROI. In conclusion, HubSpot has managed to do something very difficult. They've built a tool that is simple enough for a beginner to use on day one, but powerful enough to run a Fortune 500 company. The key is to start small. Don't buy the professional plan just because you like the idea of automation. Start with the free tools, move to the Starter Custom Platform when you need to remove the branding, and only upgrade to the Pro when your manual processes are literally breaking. The latest version of HubSpot, with its Breeze AI agent and unified data hub, is the most future-proof CRM on the market right now. It doesn't just store your data, it uses it to help you sell more effectively. So, if you want to try HubSpot yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to try it out for free. It costs you nothing to set up an account and start importing your contacts. See for yourself if the Breeze AI makes your life easier. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.